Certainly not 12 years old again.
He was fatter than you are now at 12, what are you on about?
I was being nice to myself.
Ta-da! We'll just try
I
doing
know
it.
the wrong way.
Try doing it at 50.
Always wanted to come in here. Never come in these.
Yeah.
Went in the others when I was a kid.
You want to lead the way? I've been in here before, so I thought that was someone else then. Oh, look.
It smells of soot.
There you go.
Isn't it criminal that they would just chop through after all this work and stuff?
Yeah.
And they just chop through. Right.
Tell you what's here, follow the arrows to get out. Good luck.
These arrows.
These arrows.
Well, you've got the map on your phone, haven't you?
Yeah, you don't need that really.
These
I
arrows
think.
might be tripping.
Right, come up here a minute. Come up here a minute. Just 1 minute. I'm not sure where it is.
Map on paper, actually.
There you go. I'm not sure if there's something that way or not. But right, which way do you want to go? I've not got the map. I don't need it. It's in sort of in my head. It's three tunnels that. Listen, 3 tunnels that way, and then 2 steps that way through the toilets, around the toilets. I've got the idea in my head. Which way do you want to go? Well,
Just look at it all.
well, that's what I know. We'll look at it all, but
I was going to start up there.
well, yeah, if you want, yeah. That's what I'm saying. You've not been here. I have.
No.
Not that I remember it, but
No.
what's that about?
One of the reflectors for the, you know, the lamps.
The glass.
No, plastic.
Uh,
Oh no. No. It's a picture.
okay.
Now the toilet seat.
Right.
Because there'll be nothing left in here that will have robbed anything that's sort of like even contemplating things like that. Whether it's any good or not. How's that rotten so bad? There must have been a water leak somewhere. Jesus, I think they're all fucked. I thought they were going to nick.
Well, some of them will be. Because there were grey stuff them blokes were walking past. What's going on in here, isn't it?
Smoky down here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it a fire? Nice. You didn't finish that tunnel? Look, you still got the lead. That's lead.
Yeah.
And they're lead things, and the cables would have gone over there like that. Yeah. You'd have had all lights. All the pig marks, look.
I might have been at an end of a couple of end bays like this.
Yeah. All the pig marks from when they were knocking them out, and all the lead pins to hold the wires up. All the way down. See, Grandma and Grandad's, you'd come in here and hide away from the bombs were hitting. But these buckets, oh, they're the slot buckets for the toilets. No way. They went in these little hole things with round thing with a seat on it with a frame.
Toilets are.
In that thing.
I think it might be there.
That's why they're there. But yeah, they're toilet buckets.
Oh, there's a brick wall over there as well.
Could be on both sides.
There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, eh?
I can't remember the thing out now. Layout now or something. Ah, do you know where we are now? Ah, right. That's the blocked off one. Hang on. Let's just get a bit of thingy. 1 minute. 1 minute. We've gone full circle. I'm just showing we've come full circle down here. It's a concrete bit. Where you said it was first blocked off.
I've not got the map and I'm not used to coming out somewhere like this.
It's alright, come on then.
Don't mean on your phone because I think that should mean a map.
Right, so that's the. There you go.
Wet. It's wet.
Oh. That's the tunnel there.
Yeah, well, that's
Right.
why it's wet, because it can't get out. The water can't get out.
Well, that's where it's blocked. Ooh, drip, drip, drip. Let's have a look. Ooh, some more here.
Yeah, this is coming towards the entrance. That's what's getting dark. Oh, look at these footprints. That's recent.
Yeah.
Collapsed in. If it wasn't recent, yeah, right.
Yeah, hang on a minute.
There you go, you're around me, go there. Oh, yeah. It's an old one.
And here is your first thing.
Someone's football boots.
Right, there's your first entrance.
Let's get down to it. And here's 96, look.
And here's your...
You've got no emergency sticks, have you? Look at that down there.
Same one,
No, down here.
down here. Is it filled in?
No, let's get it down there.
I think this might be the first bricked up entrance.
Have you got a more powerful torch? What's that tube down there? Just a concrete bollard, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's
That's not. That might be
the cone. And that... Trying to do sharp clips, but forgot them. Oh, drip, drip, drip. Oh, should we? Oh.
The hinge. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look, the pickaxe bit. And some of them down there. Fire down here, aren't they? Power fires.
Yeah.
Probably from onwards, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this. See that tubing? That's the stuff that they've got up there. The lighting cables.
Yeah.
And look, there's some sort of
Gate
as
thing,
well.
yeah.
I wonder if this was another tile or something.
Storage.
Might be.
Cool.
It's our daylight there. In that corner.
Been down there.
Is that where we came from?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Isn't it?
No, it's this one.
Just want to go down this one?
Yeah. Just go where we've been like slightly.
That's just systematic.
Blocked off, so it goes further back this way.
Nice big this one. I sold it. It was in what? The size of that RSJ. Scrap bag, I didn't get that. How did you?
That's not RSJ.
You know?
It's track.
Is that tram track?
It's rail track.
Oh, it is, isn't it? It's a big piece
got
of rail track.
got the holes in it for
Fish plates.
yeah.
Oh, mate, you'd have killed for that. You know?
I know.
Oh, fucking hell. Should we try and get it out? Big piece of train track just dumped in here.
Yeah. I have to change torches, I think. You alright getting a torch out of my bag?
Yeah. And then click.
Change my torch.
Why is there no ventilation? Some bench. And then there. Oh yeah, that's the wooden thing that was holding it all up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's because they've concreted this bit for some reason. Why has this been concreted?
Where's that coming from? I don't know. Could come from anywhere.
Should we go shit somebody else?
Not shit. Not shit him up. I wouldn't want it to do to me, so. Water's down here as well, so settle well. That's where we heard the voices. This. Go.
Good sound.
Look at them. Proper history of this. I know lots of people have done these tunnels, but
You just don't expect to hear it.
no, I haven't been in since I was like 12 or 11 or something daft. They were closed off. And then I've seen some videos recently of them being open, so I thought I'd bring him. He's history buff, isn't he? So
How long is it going to be before somebody decides to, you know,
something cool.
the white arrows are showing you out. The white arrow this way, the white arrow that way.
Running out of power. Laser. Fire me laser. All the chisel marks. Am I pointing in the right direction? No. Come on, Dad. Get your angles.
You're not going to make me jump. We've heard you.
CPM, yeah.
Go. Do you want to go that way first?
I don't.
Go to the bottom and then turn right, and I think that's at the bottom.
Well,
You
I
know where
don't,
the maps go, 3 squares.
yeah, that's the toilets there.
These ones.
Yeah, it's the toilet block there.
Yeah.
Ledge. Yeah.
This is what they've been setting fire to. Oh, dude. Where the handles. And a COVID mask. They get everywhere, don't they? You just send one COVID mask down here. There you go, dude. Check it.
Hey, here you go. Don't know if
Oh, that
that's
seems such a
yeah.
fucking shame.
Males, that. No logs.
Oh, there's another tunnel.
Yeah. Because the box are in the middle, so we come down a little bit. So if we go this way, it might be this. It'll be one of the steps, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Wrong. Show you what the right way is done. I wonder why they never asked for these. Because they look like they should have been open. They look better than the ones.
Oh God, it's quite blurred.
They look better than the ones that are down there in Stockport.
Yeah.
People do.
Pushed back.
Not multiples.
Don't know.
Well, there is multiples. Oh, it could be, yeah, it's moulded with chocolate. Could be so.
But you won't get to the stairs. Let's take a walk.
And these night lights, candles everywhere. He was using these to see what they were doing. Yeah. Get a signal out here.
I think I've just noticed my camera's all blurry, I'm sorry. McDonald's. Yeah, I think this is the one at the bottom of the hill. Dodge Hill. The bottom of it. Because that's totally bricked up and can't see out of it. The other one, you can see out of them at the top, I think. Yeah, it's higher as well. So this is the bottom hill one.
Some of the brackets on the walls.
Sorry, my camera angles are poo, aren't they?
Pardon?
This is going to poo video this. I'm watching where I'm going more than I'm watching where the camera is.
I think, is where I was talking about and talking to you, saying it was the entrance was there, and it's been bricked up. But if you look at it, it's been capped. Look,
This is Dodge Hillside.
right, but it's been capped.
Yeah.
So the whole entrance is gone, where it's been capped.
If we could go through there now, the steps down by the side of the motorway there.
I think the steps would be up there, mate. We're below ground level nearly here. They're not going up far enough. They should have turned slightly. And there's the wall. And then I bet you the ground level.
I know, but this is the archway at the bottom.
Yeah,
of
they
the
just went
archway.
there.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a good shot. And light up the tunnel.
I know, I've got that as you come up.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah.
Down there. Thanks. Wonderful. Many coins and bits there were on the wall. Tiny.
Oh, my camera's doing that thing again. Way up. Sorry. Oh god. It's like my camera's fallen.
Yeah, we're not been this way.
Ah, this is it. What was a foot then?
Go on, I'll follow you.
Yeah.
This is working. Mine's. It's alright, it's just not direction. I see more than 10 feet.
Yeah, I would have fell over that as well.
We ain't been this way.
No, we haven't. Oh no, we haven't.
That's plastic down there.
Yeah. Oh! Hole. Fucking plastic sex hole.
What's going on with all this fucking plastic? It's like it's been dumping shit down here. Ah, there's a plug.
Well, the staircase has been plugged.
I wonder what these are though, because they're on every bit where you can see something up there.
It'll say in one of the. I've heard it in one of the videos about Dodge Hill. Camera angles down. Sorry. Yeah. But yeah, there's the steps.
You reckon those steps?
Yeah, it's got to be. It's got to be dead ends, and there's a second set of steps. Oh well, seen one. Yeah, someone's been trying to knock through. My camera is crap.
Yeah, we use that bar to try and break it.
Yeah. Oh well.
I wonder why would they try and stop people? Just open them up and let people fucking go in. There's caves all over the country.
Oh, my camera's crap down
And
here.
you know something? What's crazy is if they removed all the beds, yeah,
Yeah.
it's safe down here.
Oh, hole.
Apart from yours. Wouldn't it? It's safe down here. Oh look.
I know, I've seen it. Saw it before. Right, anyway, I'm going to say bye-bye, guys, because my camera's going blurry and I don't know if the footage is any good. I apologise if it isn't any.
Hang on. Whoa.
But-
Listen.
Dead
Listen.
end.
Listen. What was that?
Cave. They have a cave troll.
I don't know.
They have a cave troll down here. Oh God. Hate cave trolls. Right, anyway, yeah.
Smells a bit gassy.
We're gonna go now. Thanks for watching. Smell. You here? I'm gonna leave my sticker somewhere around here.
Smell me.
Yeah, yeah. I tell you what.
Sticker on the wall somewhere.
Out on the wall.
On the bed.
Right, the shirt's here, yeah. Bag's here, yeah. I'm gonna leave me here. What's in the bag?
Somewhere. This is dry.
It won't. It'll fall off. I'll put it on top of that light bulb thing. Yeah.
No.
It's alright, got loads, right? Yeah, one sticker there. Have a look for more stickers if you come down here.
Hang on.
Keep it that way.
Hang on, no, get back. Alright, go on. Oh, little piggy! Well, you know, I could help him, but because it's going on YouTube, you never know what's going to happen, do you? So I won't help him. Watch your face on that metal. It's too close.
Hello.
Hey!
Too close for what? I knew what I was doing.
Too close to get your whole shot on.